None of the videos published on this channel are intended to promote or encourage illegal activities. All content is carefully prepared using publicly available information sources and visual materials.
In the late 1950s, the world was on the brink of a revolution in the toy industry. In 1959, Barbie made her debut at the New York Toy Fair, capturing the imagination of young girls worldwide. Unlike any doll that had come before, Barbie represented an idealized version of a young woman, with grace and sophistication that stood in stark contrast to the baby dolls that were popular at the time. Barbie's introduction not only revolutionized the toy industry, but also sparked widespread discussions about gender roles and societal expectations. Barbie's creation began with Ruth Handler, who noticed her daughter Barbara playing with paper dolls that represented adults rather than children. This observation inspired Handler to create a doll that would allow girls to imagine their futures in various adult roles. During a trip to Europe, Handler encountered a German doll named Lily, which became the prototype for Barbie. Returning to the United States, Handler, along with her husband Elliot and their company Mattel, set out to bring Barbie to life. When Barbie was introduced at the 1959 New York Toy Fair, she was dressed in a black and white striped swimsuit, with her blonde hair tied in a ponytail and her face adorned with makeup. Standing at 11 inches tall, Barbie's hourglass figure, long legs, and slender waist reflected the beauty standards of the time. This design made Barbie a subject of both admiration and criticism. Barbie's launch sparked a wide range of reactions. Many parents and critics worried that Barbie's unrealistic physical proportions could negatively impact young girls' body image. Barbie's tiny waist, long legs, and ample bust were seen as idealized and unattainable, raising concerns about the doll's influence on children's self-esteem. However, supporters of Barbie argued that she offered girls a broader vision of what they could become. Barbie was not just a fashion icon. She could be a doctor, a lawyer, an astronaut, or a businesswoman. In this way, Barbie served as a role model, inspiring girls to dream beyond traditional roles and envision a future full of possibilities. Barbie became a symbol of women's empowerment and independence. Barbie was an immediate commercial success. In her first year on the market, 350,000 Barbie dolls were sold, a remarkable achievement for the time. This success contributed to the rapid growth of Mattel, the company founded by the Handlers. Over time, Barbie's world expanded to include a wide variety of outfits, accessories, and even careers, allowing her to continue evolving with each new generation. Barbie's influence extended far beyond the toy aisle. She became a cultural icon, a fixture in fashion, art, music, and film. As Barbie embraced more diverse professions and backgrounds, she offered girls from all walks of life a chance to see themselves in her. Since her debut in 1959, Barbie has become much more than just a toy. She has become a significant figure in popular culture. Over the years, Barbie has been produced in countless versions, representing different careers, ethnicities, and styles. Barbie's adaptability and willingness to evolve with the times have allowed her to remain relevant and beloved by millions of fans worldwide. Today, the original 1959 Barbie is a valuable collector's item, cherished by enthusiasts. Barbie's legacy continues to influence generations of children, sparking imagination and creativity. Her enduring popularity is a testament to her ability to stay at the forefront of cultural discussions about gender, diversity, and empowerment. Barbie is more than just a doll. She is a cultural phenomenon that has stood the test of time.